qualities Roxy had that made them win the ultimate love show? Hello guys, and welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Yesterday, the Ultimate Love reality show season 1 came to an end. The love show, which was cut following the coronavirus outbreak, which has led to self-isolation, where Kachi and Rosie emerged the winner of the show, while Ike and Teresa emerged as first runner-up, although Trivia, Double Chris and Bola made the top 5 list and went home with cash prizes. Roxy won for themselves 5 million naira cash and a traditional wedding and a furnished home worth 10 million naira. The highlight of the finale was when Kachi proposed to Rosie on stage and the 35-year-old teacher said yes. Here's how the pair came together to win the ultimate prize. Number 1, Kachi, being the man, knew what he wanted and stuck to it, unlike David, who left Rosie for Presh Talker. 2, Rosie used her past experience with men. After having 2 kids for different men, she had learned how to be patient and not make another mistake. 3, Kachi was understanding, patient, humble after Rosie was heartbroken by David, who picked Presh Talker ahead of her. Rosie had to let go of her past and gradually accept her new fate. That's number 4. Number 5, Kachi was ready to accept her despite having 2 kids and being previously married in the past. Number 6, Rosie didn't allow the age factor to set in between, as she respected him, allowed him live. Number 6, Rosie didn't allow the age factor to set in between them, as she respected him and allowed him lead at all times. You can add your opinions in the comment box below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.